Okay, so I received my Apple TV developer kit today. Let's see what's inside it. So this is the Apple TV kit, as not yet seen on TV. Okay, developer kit. Yeah, so this is the package. Let's see what's in this. Alright, so we have the Apple TV and the remote control inside it. So, nice, feels sturdy. A bit heavy, a bit more heavier than the Roku. And this is the remote. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Okay, with tvOS you're going to change TV. Okay, that's I think some sort of, yeah, stickers and stuff. Okay, and okay, there's a cable, and then there's the, yeah, these two cables, and all right, so we have a power cable too. That's it. That's pretty much inside this, and let's get this plastic wrap off. Okay, so peeling this off reveals the Apple logo and stuff. That's what's inside this, and let's try peeling this off. Okay, so that's where all the things are hidden. So we have a power slot, an HDMI and a USB slot, and this is where the network cable goes in. Yeah, and there's a remote, and so that's pretty much what's inside the box. Alright, so now I've plugged in my Apple TV onto the wall socket, and I've connected the Apple TV to my Mac using the USB cable, and I have iTunes running. This is what you see on iTunes. We have eject Apple TV and restore Apple TV. So what we need to do first is, this is the development kit. So first we need to install the required operating system onto the Apple TV. So to do that, you need to first go to developer.apple.com /tvOS. So you click on documentation, and this is what you can see. You know, it is documentation stuff, and you click on downloads, and this page comes up. So this is what you need: download tvOS beta for the new Apple TV. And so this downloads a zip file containing the required software, and you just need to first unzip that once you're done with downloading. And if you click on this tvOS beta software installation guide, this is what comes up, and this contains all the instructions that you need to get this stuff installed. So I've already downloaded the package, so let's see what we need to do next. So what I say is you need to do an option click on restore Apple TV. So option and click, and it'll prompt you to select the package that you just downloaded. Click on that. This actually comes in a zip file, so you need to unzip it first, and you click on open. So it says that iTunes will erase and restore your Apple TV to version 9 software and will verify restore. And preparing Apple TV, waiting for Apple TV. So once this is done, what they say is you need a network connection. So I'll probably take it off and connect to a network port. Your Apple TV has been restored. Please disconnect and reconnect your TV. All right, so let me go do that. Oh yes, and I forgot to mention one thing, that um, your remote control is charged via the lightning to USB cable, and the lightning cable goes directly in there, and then you can connect your USB part to anywhere you want. There you go. That's the lightning cable into the remote control. So I've connected the Apple TV to my television, and I've just switched it on. You can see the Apple TV blinking towards here. Okay, so touching, and I can navigate between the languages if I move my thumb like this. So if I move my thumb like this, I can move, and I'll select English and I'll press on that. United States. Use your iOS device to automatically add your Apple ID and Wi-Fi settings to this Apple TV. Set up with device. I'll probably set up manually because I'm shooting with my iPhone. Set up manually. So this is where I enter my Apple ID. So I've entered my Apple ID and password, and I tapped on continue, and this is the screen that comes up. Location services, enable location services, use Siri, see the world, you can enjoy, blah 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 blah, automatically download. Diagnostics and usage, sent to Apple, terms and conditions, I agree. So this is it, Apple TV. So iTunes photos, music, settings, and yay, Doctor Who season 9. Yeah, that's, and computers, and right away, yeah, it works. My corner right there when I wanna. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. They say